Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Samsung washing machine is showing the DC error code, the cycle may suddenly stop before spinning or draining properly. In most cases, the DC code is related to a door issue or an unbalanced load that prevents the Samsung washing machine from operating safely. Overloaded laundry, clothing trapped in the door area, or a temporary control glitch can all contribute to this message appearing. Before assuming that something serious has gone wrong, there are several simple things you can check. In this video, I'll walk you through a few troubleshooting steps that may help clear the DC error and get your Samsung washing machine back to normal. Try these. Step 1. Make sure the door of the Samsung washing machine is completely closed and properly latched. Step 2. Rearrange the clothes inside the Samsung washing machine to eliminate an uneven load. Step 3. Avoid overloading the Samsung washing machine with too many items. Step 4. Unplug the Samsung washing machine for several minutes to reset the controls. Step 5. Reconnect the Samsung washing machine and start a new cycle. Step 6. Observe the Samsung washing machine and confirm that the DC error no longer appears.